Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make WhatsApp use specific text notes or different text notes for different messages that you can get. I'm going to show you how. So basically you have to, there are two ways that you can do this, through WhatsApp settings and through your application or app settings. I will show you both. So first of all, you're going to go onto WhatsApp. From WhatsApp, you're going to click on the three dots at the top, and then you're going to click on settings. From settings, you're going to click on notifications, and from notifications, as you can see, have messages. Once you click on notification tone and you choose a sec sound pack, you can see that all the pre-installed notifications that you have on your phone. You can set this one to the private messages, and then you can set a different one for group settings, okay? And as you can see, if I go over here and I go sec sound picker, again, it's the same thing. Now this is from WhatsApp. I'm going to show you, and even if you have an LED light, you can change it from here. Now this is a way you can do it. Now the other way is that you go onto WhatsApp, hold on it for long, and click on the information button on the top right corner. From there, you click on notifications and then notification categories, and as you can see, you have all these settings that you can change and have different calls, different like call, like you can change the call notification, the call ringtone, the notifications. If I go on group notifications, I can change it. If I go on to message notifications, it's the same thing. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.